Join me as I take on the challenge of earning $100,000 today with this easy side hustle. Let's see if I can actually pull it off. The world of online side hustles is a crowded one, but in my opinion, there's one that stands head and shoulders above the rest. It's an opportunity that's not only lucrative, but also relatively easy to get started with. And the best part, it's accessible to anyone, regardless of their background or experience. One of the biggest advantages of this side hustle is its flexibility. You can work on it from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. This means you can fit it around your existing schedule, whether that's a 9-to-5 job, college, or just taking care of your family. And because it's online, you can scale it up or down to suit your needs. But the real question is, can it really generate $100,000? The short answer is absolutely. I've seen people earning 5, 6, even 7 figures from this side hustle alone. Of course, it takes some effort and dedication, but the potential is there. So what is this amazing side hustle? Well, I'm excited to share it with you, and I'm going to take you through the first steps you need to take to get started right away. All right, let's dive right in and get started with this fantastic side hustle. I'm super excited to dive into this, and I know you are too. This side hustle is all about taking action and seeing results fast. So let's get started by setting up the foundation for our success. The first step is to identify your niche or area of expertise. This could be anything from fitness to finance to cooking. The possibilities are endless. Once you have your niche, you need to set up a platform to showcase your skills. This could be a website, a YouTube channel, or even a social media presence. The key is to choose something you're comfortable with and that allows you to reach a large audience. Next, you need to start creating valuable content. This could be in the form of videos, blog posts, or even podcasts. The key is to provide value to your audience and to be consistent in your delivery. This will help you build a loyal following and increase your earning potential. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually earn money from it? Well, that's the best part. There are multiple revenue streams available to you, from advertising to affiliate marketing to selling your own products or services. Now, let's dive into some incredible success stories from people who have already benefited from this side hustle. I want to share with you some amazing success stories from people who have already benefited from this side hustle. Sarah, for example, was able to earn over $50,000 in her first year by monetizing her YouTube channel. She started by creating videos on her favorite hobby, and before long, she had a huge following and was earning thousands of dollars a month. John was able to turn his passion for fitness into a lucrative online business. He started by creating a website and offering personal training services. Before long, he was earning over $10,000 a month and was able to quit his 9-to-5 job. Emily was able to earn over $100,000 in her first year by offering freelance writing services. She started by creating a portfolio and offering her services on freelance platforms. Before long, she was working with top clients and earning a 6-figure income. I could go on and on with these success stories, but I want to hear from you. Have you already started making money online? Share your story with me in the comments below. You know, it's not always smooth sailing. There are definitely challenges and misconceptions when it comes to making money online. Some think it's easy money, but that's far from the truth. It requires dedication, hard work, and sometimes a bit of luck. But hey, don't let that discourage you. With the right mindset and tools, you can overcome these hurdles. One of the biggest misconceptions about this side hustle is that it's only for tech-savvy people, but the truth is anyone can do it. You don't need to be an expert in coding or web design. There are so many tools and resources available that can help you get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Another common challenge is the fear of failure. But the truth is, failure is just part of the process. Every successful entrepreneur has experienced failure at some point, but they didn't let it hold them back. Instead, they learned from their mistakes and kept moving forward. All right, now let's dive into a live demonstration and some key takeaways. This is where you'll see everything come together and get practical tips to apply what you've learned. So stick around and let's make this happen. I want to show you just how easy it is to earn money from this side hustle. Let's do a live demonstration of how to monetize a YouTube video. I'll show you how to set up the ads, how to optimize the video for maximum earnings, and how to track your results. As you can see, earning money from this side hustle is not only possible, but also relatively easy. The key is to take action, to be consistent, and to be patient. So, what are the key takeaways from this video? First, this side hustle is a legitimate way to earn a significant income online. Second, it's accessible to anyone, regardless of their background or experience. And third, it takes action and dedication to see results. I want to leave you with a sense of excitement and anticipation. You have the potential to earn $100,000 or more from this side hustle. It's up to you to take the first step and start building your online empire. And as we wrap up, I want to remind you to take action. Dive in and start your journey today. The world of online opportunities is vast and waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making money online. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.